Samsung is preparing to redefine the foldable game again. But this time, they're not just folding once, they're folding twice. Yes, the Samsung Galaxy G Fold, the company's first triple folding phone, might finally be on its way, and it could be the biggest design leap we've seen in years. Now let's get one thing straight. Samsung isn't the first to unveil a triple folding phone. Huawei beat them to it with the Mate X-T Ultimate design in 2024. But without Google Apps and limited global release, Huawei's foldable is practically invisible in the global market. That leaves Samsung with a massive opportunity to be the first triple folder that people will actually buy. Leaks suggest the Galaxy G Fold could launch as early as October 2025, following a teaser or preview at Samsung's Unpacked event on July 9th. That puts it right alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. But make no mistake, this is a completely different beast. Thanks to reliable tipsters, here's what we know. The G Fold is expected to feature a massive 10-inch display when fully unfolded, with a 6.49-inch cover screen. That's bigger than the Z Fold 6's already impressive 7.6-inch inner display. The triple hinge will allow the phone to fold into a Z shape, giving you smartphone, tablet, and mini laptop modes in one device. But there's a catch: no stylus support. Unlike the Z Fold series, Samsung may ditch the S Pen compatibility entirely on the G Fold. Why? Possibly to reduce weight, avoid cost, or simply because this is still a first-gen product. Either way, it's a surprising move from a company known for its stylus legacy. We haven't seen exact camera details yet, but expect something similar to the Z Fold 7. A 200-megapixel main sensor plus ultra-wide, telephoto, and multiple selfie cameras. Under the hood, Samsung will likely power this beast with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 Elite, backed by at least 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, if not more. With a larger display comes bigger power demands. The G Fold could pack a battery larger than 5,000 mAh, maybe even 5,600 mAh, and charge at 25 watts. We'd love to see 45 watts fast charging, but let's not get our hopes up just yet. Here's the bad news. If leaks are accurate, Samsung may only release the Galaxy G Fold in Korea and China, with very limited quantities. That means if you're in the US, UK, or beyond, you might be stuck waiting for the second-generation model. Triple fold phones are the next step in mobile evolution, and if anyone can pull it off globally, it's Samsung. Will the Galaxy G Fold be the future in your pocket, or just another expensive concept? Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for all the latest Samsung leaks and foldable news. We've got more coming your way.